What causes strange noises in the attic at night? Strange noises in the attic at night are causing quite a stir among homeowners. Just yesterday, many people took to social media to share their eerie experiences. If you have ever been startled by sounds coming from above, you are not alone. This topic is trending as more individuals seek answers to this puzzling phenomenon. So, what could be causing these unsettling sounds? The most common culprits are animals that tend to be active during the night. Bats, squirrels, rats, and mice are frequent visitors to attics, especially as the weather gets cooler. Bats are known for entering through tiny gaps in roofs or walls. Their chirping and squeaking can be quite noticeable, especially in the stillness of night. Squirrels, while typically more active during the day, can still make their presence known at night. If they have made a nest in your attic, you may hear scratching or scurrying sounds as they move around. Rats and mice are nocturnal creatures, so their activities often coincide with nighttime. You might hear scratching or chewing noises as they search for food or create tunnels in insulation or walls. If you notice droppings or visible damage, it is likely that these pests have taken up residence in your attic space. In addition to animal activity, other factors can contribute to strange noises. Structural settling can create creaks and groans as building materials expand and contract with temperature changes. However, animal sounds are by far the most common reason for those unsettling noises. If you are hearing strange sounds in your attic, it is essential to investigate further. Look for signs of animal activity, such as droppings or nests. If you suspect you have unwanted guests, consider contacting a pest control professional for assistance. Understanding what causes these noises can help you feel more at ease in your home. With the right information, you can take steps to address the situation and ensure your attic remains a peaceful space.